Hi everyone, today's Tuesday, May 12th, so we're going to do our word work. You know how we start with our rhymes. Repeat after me. Tap, she. Nope, tap and she don't rhyme. Ran, see. Oh, another one that doesn't rhyme. Cry, now. They're getting tricky today. 3 that don't rhyme. Gown, town. Yep, gown, town end the same. They rhyme. Lock, new. No. Okay. Onset fluency. That means the starting sounds. Repeat after me. Night, noise, Lock, left, ul. Past, pair, p. Town, teach, t. Bend, by, b. Okay, good job. Now we're going to blend the onset and the rhyme, which is the ending part of the word. D, own, down. Your turn. T, app, tap. B, ed, bed. Ul, ock, lock. W, n, when. Okay, good job. Now we'll do those middle sounds, those medial ones. Those are hard. S, at, a. Your turn. M, n, e. F, I, sh, I. T, op, a. R, un, Okay, good. Now we're segmenting the onset and the rhyme part of the word. Okay. 10, t, n. Your turn. Sing, s, ing. Van, v, an. Yell, y, l. Kind, k, eind. All right. Now we're going to start with the rhyme or the ending part of the word and add the onset or the beginning sound. Okay, starting with am, add j at the beginning to make jam, jam. Good. Start with et, add a g at the beginning to make get. Start with ip, add s at the beginning to make sip. Start with ock, add t at the beginning to make talk, talk. Start with un, add at the beginning to make run. Good job. Now we're going to delete our phoneme, our onset part, and we'll see what's left. Start with the word fan, take away f. What's left? An. Good job. Start with the word bed, take away b. What's left? Ed. Start with the word kid, take away k. What's left? Id. Start with the word log, take away ul. What's left? Og. Start with the word duck, take away d. What's left? Uck. Good job. Okay, remember we have our new rhyme this week. Repeat after me. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown. Okay, we'll learn some more of that tomorrow. I'll see you then.